should I be on Instagram or not? I mean, if I have a personal brand, should I be on Instagram? You have probably asked yourself that question many, many times, especially now that there's so much noise and pressure around Instagram as a platform. You're hearing from one side, Instagram is not the place to be. It is a bunch of 15-year-old girls that don't buy anything. They're not your customers. It is not the place to be. Stick with Facebook. On the other hand, you have people saying Instagram is the place to be. It is crazy good for e-com brands. It is crazy good for personal brands, for coaches, consultants, influencers to sell information products. It is the place to be, and it is the future. So which of the two should you actually listen to, and what are the actual facts regarding this? In this video, we'll actually debunk the myth that Instagram is not the place to be and show you why Instagram is the #1 social media platform to be in 2019, and then show you 3 simple little things that you can actually implement right now, extremely simple, step by step, to actually increase engagement in 2019, which in turn will help you grow your business as well. And like always, if you stay to the end, we are doing a giveaway, and all you have to do in order to enter is hit the like button, hit subscribe, and turn the notifications bell so you do not miss the next video when it drops. What is up, online CEOs? My name is Josue, Pena, helping you grow and monetize your brand, business, and influence with social media and marketing. And today we're talking all about Instagram marketing, how you can improve it, 3 simple tips on how you can actually implement it for your own business in 2019, and how to crush it on Instagram right now. So first off, let's start up with the facts. Instagram has probably doubled the engagement than any other social media platform and doubled the organic reach than almost any other social media platform out there. That means with 1,000 followers on Facebook, you're probably gonna get like 5 likes and 5 people actually watching your stuff. On Instagram, with 1,000 people, you're probably gonna get 100 to 200. And what does this actually mean for your business? Because at the end of the day, you cannot take likes, followers, and comments to the bank, and you cannot buy groceries or pay the bills with that. But what this does mean is that you have the attention of people on your Instagram, which means you can actually help and serve them by selling to them your products and services. And if you do not have products or services of your own, you can always do affiliate marketing. If you want to find out how you can actually start implementing affiliate marketing with your own Instagram strategy, just click the video down in the description down below with my friend and affiliate marketing god, ODI Productions. But in short, whether you have your own product or service or you don't, whether you're doing e-commerce or info products or services or whatever, or even you have a local business, Instagram is the place to be because people are there. And when people are there and you have the attention, it is a lot easier to sell to them. The reason why TV, radio, billboards, and all the traditional marketing mediums are dying is because people do not have their attention on there anymore. People have gone from normal TV to actually watching Netflix, YouTube. They have gone from watching billboards and magazines and all that stuff to actually scrolling on their phone and using the phone all the time. The phone is the new TV of today's day and age. And what is probably the #1 platform on the phone? It's Instagram.
Thank you. God bless the United States of America.
So here's the tip #1 to actually increase engagement on Instagram in 2019, and that is as simple as post more videos. Instagram right now is doing a humongous push to Instagram TV. It is also pushing really hard Instagram stories and Instagram live. So if you're able to create content for Instagram TV, Instagram is just going to reward you with more exposure, more followers, which means more attention to you and your business. And it is not as complicated as you might think. Just go on Google Trends, search a popular topic, and then from there, just create a video talking about that exact topic and create a compelling video that people actually want to see and watch. It is not as hard as you might think. It all comes down to doing the market research, which we have talked about in several other videos and also in our completely free 1-hour masterclass. If you want to access that completely free masterclass, all you gotta do is go to igboss.com. The link is gonna also be in the description below, and register to that masterclass. It is a full 1 to 2 hours, so make sure you block 1 to 2 hours every time. It is extremely in-depth. We go from growth to actually monetizing to actually showing you how you can make money with only 3,000 followers on Instagram. And then from there, we actually give you a special offer to actually work with us a little bit more hands-on. But in short, make sure that you're creating more videos for Instagram on Instagram TV, making Instagram stories, making Instagram lives here and there, and also creating more Instagram videos on the feed itself. And again, it's as simple as doing the market research, which can look like Just going to Quora, going to BuzzSumo, going to Google Trends, searching a popular topic in your specific category or industry, seeing what people are searching for on the internet as a whole, and then just making a simple 2 to 3 minute video with your phone and putting it on there. If you do this consistently, just a few videos every single week, you will be surprised on how fast your account will grow, your attention will increase, and your revenue as well. Tip number 2, and I'm actually gonna break this into a part A and part B. Part A is actually having strong call to action and having people tag each other in the comment section below and have your posts share on the Instagram stories as well. If you're able to create great quality content that is engaging, that people actually want to see, that people actually want to engage with, people will naturally be inclined to share it on the Instagram story. People will naturally be inclined to send it to their friends via DMs, and they will naturally be inclined to just tag friends in the comments below. But apart from that, you should also be encouraging and telling people what to do. How can people do what you want them to do if you do not tell them? It's like when she says, it's fine, but it really isn't, but she doesn't say it's not fine, and then you're confused.
What do you want?
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do?
So don't be the girlfriend here where she says one thing but she means another and everybody's confused. Don't do that. Just tell people straight up on your Instagram what you want them to do, why, and have a strong call to action, and they will actually do it. So for example, if you have a nice picture with 4 different options, maybe comment down below which one is your favorite, 1 to 4. Or maybe you're in fitness or beauty or something like that and you're telling people rate from 1 to 10. Or heck, you're even creating a group picture, or maybe you have a squad goals and you tell them tag your squad down below. All of these are great call to actions to have people engage. Comment below, tag your friends, share with a friend on their story, share with a friend on the Instagram DM. Just make sure you have a strong call to action on every single one of your posts, because people will start getting used to doing what you tell them to do, which means that when you actually tell them to go to this link, go buy this product because of this benefit that actually brings to you, people will actually go out there and buy it. But if you never tell them it'll have a strong call to action, people will never buy from you in the first place. And then you are gonna think that Instagram is just a bunch of 15-year-old girls complaining and never buying anything and just saying, hello sir, can you send me $100 please? Which honestly, it's your fault for not having strong call to actions. And then part B of tip number 2 is actually using hashtags. People actually overthink way too much this topic, when in reality hashtags are pretty simple. They're just like keywords on Google. They help you rank your content, help Instagram categorize your content, and help Instagram show your content to relevant people. So for example, if you are posting fitness pictures, you probably don't want to use the hashtag cat, because cat and fitness have nothing to do with each other. Now the other step that you need to take into account when it comes to hashtags is that you need to use hashtags that you can rank in. And it is as simple as just seeing the tab post, seeing the average engagement, and seeing if you actually get that amount of engagement on an average time. And if you do, you can actually try to rank for that specific hashtag. If you don't pick a fight with somebody that you can't win. Just pick a fight that you can. Just keep searching a hashtag. Just keep searching the next hashtag that you can actually ranking. So for example, instead of using the hashtag fitness that probably has millions and millions of posts, try to use maybe hashtag fitness pro that has 300,000, 400,000 or whatever, which is a lot less than millions and millions of people that you're competing against. But it's still enough reach and exposure that you can actually rank it and allow more people come to your page and see your content. As a general rule, I recommend that you use hashtags anywhere from 200 to 300,000 users, all the way to 700 or maybe a million users. That is a very good benchmark that you can actually start with. So make sure you use the right hashtags for you, for your account, and for your specific niche and case. And again, if you want to find out a little bit more about how to do the hashtag research, what content to select, maybe you want to build your personal brand, or maybe you're a little bit shy, you want to be behind the scenes, either of those things, you can all apply with our IG Boss system, and we have a completely free masterclass. All you got to do is click the link in the description below or go to igboss.com and register for a free training there. Just make sure that before you do, you actually block 1 or 2 hours, because the training is not fluffy, is in depth, and we actually go step by step showing you how to grow, how to pick the right hashtags, how to make sure you create the right content, whether it's for your personal brand, or maybe, again, if you want to be behind the scenes. Also, we go in depth and show you how to do that as well. And then we take you from there to actually helping you monetize your Instagram account even with just 3,000 followers, and showing you how to make over $160,000 per year. And tip number 3 to actually increase engagement on Instagram in 2019 and make sure you use it on the right way for your business is actually provide freaking value. Work with your audience and serve their needs, especially if you have a smaller account. If you have a smaller account right now, you are in a golden spot because you can actually interact with people more one-on-one. You can actually hear them out. You can actually ask them questions. You can actually create a product or a service or offer them a product or service as an affiliate that will actually help and serve them and they actually want to buy. And of course, if you have a big account already and you're an influencer already, you actually have a lot more traffic, which means you can probably even make more money. So whether you're starting from scratch and have no following, or you're an influencer and have a big following, you can implement this stuff right now to actually monetize your Instagram account if you're not doing it already. And if you have an e-com store or theme page, do not underestimate the power of micro influencers. Micro influencers, you can get them probably for free just by leveraging the current follower that you have, especially if you want to be behind the scenes just running that. We have talked about this in other videos, which I'm going to link down in the description down below, which you can actually go in and learn a little bit more and how you can run a page without being the face of the brand, or maybe you want to run a page with being your personal brand. So tell me, what do you think? Have your brain start processing it and thinking of interesting ways that you can actually engage with your current followers on Instagram, or maybe on your new Instagram account you're about to create right now? Let me know in the comment section below which of the tips here on this video was your favorite one. And like always, on today's giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, make sure you turn notifications on, and comment Instagram marketing down below. We're going to be selecting a random winner in the next 48 hours that comments Instagram marketing down below in the description, and announcing it on our own personal Instagram stories, where we send you $100 straight to your PayPal. So tell me, did this video actually convince you that you actually need to implement and invest a lot more on Instagram for your business in 2019? Maybe now you see how Instagram can help your business in 2019 grow exponentially without doing too much work. Because at the end of the day, Instagram is where people's attention is, which means money follows. This has been Josue Pena with Online CEOs, helping you grow and monetize your brand, business, and influence with social media and marketing. Don't forget to check out our other videos here on the channel. We're going to leave cards and all that stuff right here, and also in the description down below, where we actually show you how to grow, monetize, increase your engagement, and build a really successful business in 2019 by just using Instagram. Keep crushing it, Online CEOs, and we'll see you on the next one.